Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to install Satisfactory mods manually without having to install any external application. You should only use this in the rare case that the Satisfactory Mod Manager app isn't working. First of all, go over to ficsit.app and search for Satisfactory Mod Loader. Click View Versions and find your current game version. Then, go over to Download and Windows Client. Now, this is the most important part. Save it exactly how I tell you, as sml.zip. Now extract it. Then go over to your Satisfactory game folder and go to the subfolder Factory Game. In there, you will create another folder called Mods with a capital M, and you drag over SML folder into this folder. Now, just launch the game to be sure it worked. Now, you're probably wondering, but how do I really install mods? You just repeat the same process for the mod that you want from ficsit.app. If you get this error, it means you didn't install the dependency for that mod. But don't worry, I will show you exactly how you can download the dependency for it. Head back over to that mod's versions, but instead of clicking Download, you click View. Then go over to Required Dependencies and install their respective version for each of them, excluding SML because we already have downloaded that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if this video helped you.